everybody, we're back in Italy for the third time in less than a year. This time we're in the capital, beautiful city of Rome. And since I just began this vlog, I'm gonna tell you right away, we don't have any plans. I mean, we didn't plan anything. We don't know what we're gonna do. We're here for 3 or 4 days. The first place, we just dropped off everything at the hotel, and the first spot we're going to, first location, is the Trevi fountain. Let's go and see. Unfortunately, we have to wear a mask everywhere. But as we said before, we're in Rome with Yulia, and we're visiting the Colosseum right now. We're waiting for our group. Well, everybody, as you have noticed, we're in Napoli or Naples. We took the train from Rome. It's actually very quick, only 1 hour. And all the videos that you have seen before this in regards to the Rome, I'm not commenting much because I'm not a travel person. I mean, a travel guide or something like that. I need to do a lot of research, a lot of reading, and I don't like just saying, you know, a few things here and there and just giving some random unuseful information. Whatever, I hope you enjoy the first part, and this is the second part, kind of, from Naples, Italy, 1 hour away from Rome by train. For your information, the tickets were both ways round trip, 45 euro or 50, something like 45-50 euro. The train is really fast. You get here in an hour and you don't even get tired at all. And yeah, we're in Naples. Enjoyed this trip as well with us. We ordered some cappuccino, of course, because in Italy that's what you get, either espresso or cappuccino, and waiting for our coffee. Naples. Time is about 6 o'clock. In 1 hour we have our train back to Roma, the capital. We walked so much and it's actually freezing cold. It's about 10 or 12 Celsius. Me and Yulia took everything we could with our small luggage that we were allowed to take on the economy flight. So that's all I have to say. And then we're maybe more. This is really strange, but there's not a single direction sign where to go, because we need to go to the main train station in Naples, and there's not a single sign on the wall that says which way to go in the metro.
Basta che non mi viene a beccare.
Well, everybody, it is from this amazing point of view at St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City in Rome. I'm saying bye to all of you. This is it for this vlog. I know I didn't comment much this time because I needed to do a lot of research, and I thought less words is much better. You can see everything with your own eyes. Sorry, I've been tired all day. Hopefully you enjoyed this time. We have visited Rome, we have been to Naples, and finally we're in Vatican City. As always, stay tuned, wait for new videos to come out, and yeah, thank you very much.